Hoy es día 25. 25 means 25. Hoy es día 25. Hoy quiero hablar about getting a taxi en España or in Mexico. The word for to go is ir. Ir, ir. To go, to go. Ir, ir. So I want to go is quiero ir al centro, por ejemplo, to the town center. Quiero ir al centro. Or a la estación is to the station. Quiero ir a la estación. Or if you've got an address written down, you can use one of my favorite words, which is allí, which means there. So you could show the taxista the address and you can say, quiero ir allí. So that's your destination. Then you might want to talk about el precio, the price. How much is it? Is cuánto es. But you might want to talk about el futuro. I like the word cuánto because cuánto is how much, and it links for me with quantity. So cuánto es is how much is it. But in the future, how much will it be? You know the word for it will be is será, because we all have in our consciousness the Doris Day song, que será, será. Whatever will be, will be. Que será. All right? How much will it be? Cuánto será. That's how you'll say that. Cuánto será. And then your taxista might not have exactamente el precio because it might be on a meter or depende del tráfico. So he might say 15, which is 15, $15, 15 euros aproximadamente. So let's take time out and look at that word aproximadamente. Words that end in ly in English tend to end in mente in español. So 15 euros aproximadamente, approximately. If you say absolutely nothing, absolutely is absolutamente nada. Absolutamente nada. If you say completely yours, the word for yours is tuyo. Tuya, if it's a woman, or tuyo, if it's a man, or a male thing, male noun. So, el té es completamente mío. El zumo de naranja es completamente tuyo. So those are my mente cognates. You ask el taxista, ¿cuánto será? And he says, 15 euros, aproximadamente. Now we get to the most important sentence that you can say in any language, which is, mi amigo paga. My friend's paying. Bien, you might also want to know how long the journey is going to take, which is cuánto tiempo. Again, depende del tráfico, 15 minutos, depende del tráfico. Okay? So now you've got your conversación con el taxista. Quiero ir al centro. ¿Cuánto será? ¿Cuánto tiempo aproximadamente? Y mi amigo paga. Come back mañana. Mañana we're going to talk more about money, find out the word for money, for cash, for credit card, and maybe for a cash point, because sometimes you need to ask, where's the cash point? So come back mañana and I'll tell you how to say those things. Hasta mañana. Adiós.